Once upon a time, in a dense forest, lived a beautiful peacock and a feared snake. One day, the snake saw the peacock admiring its reflection by the river. "You're so lucky," said the snake. "Everyone loves you, while I'm hated and feared." The peacock replied, "Do you think I'm happy? My beauty attracts hunters, and I must hide to survive. I can't sing like the nightingale or soar like the eagle. I often wish I was someone else." The snake was surprised. "But I'm feared, not admired." The peacock smiled. "That fear is your strength. No one dares to harm you. We both have our struggles and gifts. Instead of wishing to be someone else, let's embrace who we are." The snake nodded thoughtfully. "You're right, I may not be loved, but I am respected." From that day, the peacock danced proudly, and the snake slithered confidently, each embracing their unique qualities. Moral: embrace your strengths and stop comparing yourself to others.